Good afternoon, children. Welcome back to our English online session, Standard 1. Today, we are going to learn a poem from our Bal Bharati textbook. The name of the poem is This and That. First, we read poem from our Bal Bharati textbook. This, that. This is near me and that is far. This is my finger and that is the star. This is my spoon and that is the moon. This is my one and that is the sun. When something is near, we say this. When something is far, we point out that. So now, in this poem, it is about this and that. This, we use this when it is near. This is near me. When it is near, we say it as this. And that is far. We use that when the thing is far from us. This is my finger and that is the star. And you know that finger which is near to us and the star which is far from us. So we use that for the thing which is far from us. This is my spoon and that is the moon. So spoon is nearby and moon is far away from us. So this is my one and that is the sun. So one is near to us. So that's why we use here this. And that is the sun. You know where is the sun? The sun is far from us. So that's why we use that for the sun. When something is near, we say this. When something is near to us, what we use? We use this. When something is far, we point out that. If something is near, we say it as this. But when something is far, we point out as that because it is far away from us. So one more time, we'll repeat this poem. This, that. This is near me and that is far. This is my finger and that is the star. This is my spoon and that is the moon. This is my one and that is the sun. When something is near, we say this. When something is far, we point out that. So we use this which is near to us and we use that when it is far away from us. So in this poem, we learn this and that. So depending on this, we learn our grammar topic. That name is this, that, and these, and those. Now, we must see when we use this, that, these, and those. These, that, these, those are used when we want to point whether something or someone is near or far from us and if it is singular or plural. Now see, these and these we use when it is nearby. When we use these and these when it is near to us. When the things are near to us, what we must use? These and these. Then we use that and those, the things which are far away. So what we use when the things are far away from us? We use that and those. Now see, these and that is used for the singular one when it is in only in one number. See, this is a flower. So, here there is a one flower. So, we use this. Now, see in the second picture. That is a bus. Here bus is there. It is only one number. So, we use that. But when we use that, when it is far away from us. So this is a flower and that is a bus. So when we use this and that, when it is singular, when only it is only the one number. These and those. So when we use these and those, when it is more than one. These and those, it is used when it is more than one. So these are flowers, but they are near. That's why we call it as these. We use here these. And those are buses. So see here, there are more than one bus. So we use those. When it is more than one, we use these and those. Keep in mind. This and that we use when it is only one, when it singular. And we use these and those when it is in plural, means more than one. Now see here. These are cats. Why we use here this here? Because it is near to this boy. So that's why we use these are cats. Now see here. Those are cats. Why we use here those? Because it is far from this boy. So we use this for which is things near to the boy. And we use those which are far from us. So these are cats and those are cats. As we know, we are using these and those for the plural. Means for more than one, we use these and those. Now see, these we use for this balloon. So these are balloons. Now see here, it is far from us. So we use that. Those are balloons. So we use these for plural. And we use when we use when it is near to us. And when we use those when it is far from us. Now see, these are cups. We use here these because it is near to us. And we use those are cups because it is far from this boy. So we use these and those for the plural. For we use these and those which are more than one. Now see here. These are books. There are more than one book. So that's why we use this. When it is more than one, when it is in plural, we use these. And those are books. So it is far from here. It is near, that's why we use these. And it is far from this boy, that's why we use those. So these are books and those are books. So these and those are used for the plural, means for more than one. If the things or objects are more than one, we use these and those. And these is used when it is near to us and we use those when it is far from us. Now see here. These are girls. It is near and those. It is far from this boy. That's why we used those. So these and those. It is near to this boy. That's why we use these. And it is far from this boy. That's why we use those. And we also use these and those for the plural. For if it is more than one number. Now see here again. These are cars. It is near to this boy. So we use these are cars. And it is more than in one number. It is in plural. And those are cars. So it is more than in one number and it is far from us. That's why we use those are cars. These are balls. It is more than one number. It is in plural. So these. And it is near to us. That's why we use these. And here those. It is far from this boy. So we use those. Because it is far from this boy and it is in plural. It is more than one. So once again we will see this, that and these and those. In this picture, see. This is cat. So why we use here this? Because it is near to us. So this is cat. And here that is cat. Now see, it is far from this word. So we use that. And it is in singular. So this and that when we use when it is in singular. Now see, these are apples. So it is in plural but near to us. So we use these. Now here those are apples. They are far from us but they are in plural. So we use here those. Now see here. What you are seeing here? Some books are there. And here pencils are there. So what we are using here? So these are books. How do you read it as? These are books. They are more than one. They are plural. And here these are pencils because they are plural. Here there is only one pencil and here is only one flower. So how do you read it? Yes, this is a pencil and this is a flower. Why? Because it is only in one number and this is near to us. Now see here. These birds are far from us. So we use that those are birds because they are far from us and they are in plural. They are more than one. So we use those when they are in plural and they are far from us. See here. Those are houses. There is only one house? No. They are more than one. That's why we use those. And they are far from us. So we use those. So those are birds and those are houses. Now see, kite. So that is kite. It is far from us and that is only one. So we use that when it is in singular, when it is only one. So that is kite. And that is a house. That is far from us and only in singular. So we use that is a house. Now this time to do an activity. Now see. What is this? Yes, it's a parachute. So what will come here? These, that, these or those. What will come in the blank? See here. That is a parachute. Because it is far from us and only singular. Means only in one. So that is a parachute. Now see the next picture. Dash are books. There are some books. Yes. And they are near to us or far to us. So what will come in this blank? Let's see. So these are books because they are plural and they are near to us. So we use these are books. So what will come in this blank? These are books. Now see. This boy having a guitar in his hand. So dash is a guitar. So what will come here? This is a guitar. Why? Because guitar is in his hand. It is near to him. And that is only one number. In singular. So what will come here? This is a guitar. Now we have to fill in the missing word. Now see here. House is nice. So this house is near to us or far from us? It is far from us. So what will come? Yes, that house is nice. So which house is nice? That house is nice. So we use that for the things which are far from us and which are in singular. Only one. So that house is nice. Now see the number. Next number. I like dash cat. So see here. So this cat is near or far? This cat is near. So what answer will come here? I like dash cat. I like this cat. So this cat, this is near. Why we use this here? Because it is near to us and it is only number 1. It is singular. So I like this cat. Now the next number. dash apples are red. Now see, there is only one apple? No, there are more than one. They are in plural. So what will come here? These apples are red because it is near to us also and they are in plural. So these apples are red. So what answer will come here? These. These apples are red. Next number. I think cupcakes look tasty. So those. Why here came those? Because it is far from us. And they are in singular? No. They are plural. So that's why what is the answer will come here? Those. I think those cupcakes look tasty. Those, because they are far from us and they are plural. Now see the next. Can you see dash books? Now see here. These books. So these are only one. This is singular or plural. They are in plural. And this is near to us or far from us? It is far from us. So can you see dash books? So what will come? See here. Can you see those books? Because those why it is in plural and they are far from us. So that's why what is the answer will come here? Those. Can you see those books? Understood? Now see the next. Dash car is my favorite. Now see, the car is near to us or far from us? It is near. So what will come here? These, that, these or those. It is only singular. So this car is my favorite because it is near to us also and it is singular. So this car is my favorite. So now you must have understood when we use this, that, these and those. We use these and that for the singular when it is only number one. Only in one number. And we use these and those when it is more than one. When it is in plural. And we use these and these when it is near to us. And we use that and those when it is far from us. Thank you. I hope you understood this concept very well. Thank you so much.